Welcome guys, let's start to create this simple part in our Catia software. So here you can see isometric view of this part, and here you can see all the orthotopic views and dimension for this mouse cover. Actually it is model of mouse cover, and bottom you can see all orthotopic views and all dimension for this. So let's start to create this part in our Catia software. So open Catia first and go to start, mechanical design and part design. Whatever name you want to do, and now make sure to hide this all plane because we are not using this plane to create our part. We are making our own accessibility. Now create one point here which is act as origin and insert existing to this point. Now let's start to create this part. Now you can see here, first of all we have to create this guide curve. This guide for like we have to create this sketch like this. So this is our first section and this is our last section, and these three are guide curve to this. So this is model after drawing all sketches. So I start to create this part. For creating this, first of all you have to go to the director and go to sketch positioning and select this XY plane here. Go to project point as this and parallel to this line. And now create this type of sketch which is shown here. So for creating this, create one arc here and going, and you can see this arc in this circle flyout in this profile tab. So create this like an arc here, and again one another arc just tangent to this like this symbol. Let's start to two dimension to this arc. So this is radius of this arc is 125 and radius of this arc is 418. From height of this from this horizontal axis is 58, and other side is 45, and this center present from this is 95, and wall distance is, so make it horizontal measure 2 to 4. Make sure to go trim command and make sure to delete this unwanted line. Now we have created this one of guide curve. Now as it is to the schedule workbench. Now let's start to create another guide curve at same plane. So go to again sketch positioning, select this same XY plane, projected point as this, orientation is parallel to this line. Let's start to create our second guide curve which is shown here. So draw one arc this arc is somewhat like this, and actual radius for this arc is 243, and height of this arc is given from here to here, it's 58, and actual total distance is 2 to 4, and make these two lines horizontal. Now you can see our this sketch is fully constrained, and we have actually created our second guide curve. So let's start to create another third guide curve, which is present like this. So go sketch positioning, select this ZY plane, projected point as this, orientation is parallel to this line. Now you can see third guide curve is like we have to create one arc here. So first of all we will check all dimensions. Yes, now we have to create one arc here. As shown in this PDF, you can see draw the case sketch for the first as shown in. So let's start to create one arc here. This arc is like this, and radius of this arc is given as 235, and total distance again is same as, make it horizontal measure direction 224, and this height is present at 30 mm, this height present at 46 mm. Now we have created another third guide curve. So now our work is to create this section here one and second section here. So let's start to create first section here. So go to sketch position, select this plane, ZX plane, and orient projected part as this, and make it properly aligned. Now the first sketch we have to create, having radius value as here you can see. Radius value for this is given as, so first I think first is 113, and second is 120. So let's start to create this first. This first we have to create, and this is 113. So create from here to here, and radius value as 113. and we can see that this is present at 46, this is present at 43. Actually we have to create this like structure, and you can see, so make it coincide this to this, but we are mistakenly given concentric. Actually we have to do coincide. Now we have to create one line from here, another line from here, from line, vertical line from here, another vertical line from here. Make sure to align this properly. Also give symmetric to this. And now go to trim, quick trim from this operation tab. Delete this upper and delete this also. Make sure you are coincident this and this. Now this sketch is prepared. Now let's move to our next. So actually we have to create here one sketch. So select, go to sketch plane here, make normal to curve, otherwise select here point, through 3 point, select this point, and this point. Now you can see one plane is created. Now go to this plane, select sketch to this plane, and make sure that this all should be correct. Now let's start to create this arc here. Actually this arc should be coincident to mirror. Value for this is, let's see here, it is given as 120. Make sure it should be coincident to this, and draw vertical line from here to here, and one another here also. And make sure this line should be coincident to this guide curve, otherwise the perfect error should become at a time of this multi-section solid, because this all sections and guide curve should be intersect, otherwise it can't come perfectly. Now to give dimension to this, which is 120. Now go to quick train and delete this upper and this upper and this. Make these two sketches, make it symmetric. This vertical axis. Actually this line is not coming perfectly. Delete is and give dimension of this to this. And make sure to close this sketch. On the other side also we are forward to close this sketch. To close this section, so double click to here and close this bottom part. Go to sketch, go to one line command and select one line from this to this. Now you can see that over this part sketch is created by using this on sketch or this guide for command and hide this plane. Now you should have to go to this multi-section solid here and select this as a first sketch section, this as a second, and go to here guide curve, select this as first, second, this as third, and make sure our closing part are correct. So here you can see this section 1 point closing point is here and this section 2 closing point is here. So replace one of the, we are replacing the closing point of second section and make sure these directions also in same direction. Now go to preview. Now you can check this solid part is created actually. And let's start to give radiuses for some fillets here. Check what radius value we have to do here. So here you can see 15 radius we have to give. So go to fillet command, select this as first edge and this as second and this as fourth. So we mistakenly create face here. So remove this and select properly this. The value for the fillet is 50. And now we have to go thickness to this part. So go to shell command here and select a bottom face make sure what is value for this part thickness. So here you can see a 3 unit uniform wall thickness we have to give. So give here 3 unit. Now you can see this part is created, but actually we want open at this side also. So again go to this specification tree shell command, select this space also. Now press OK. Now you can see a 3 mm part thickness is created to this our solid model part. Just we are changing shading span. Now you can see. Actually some fillets when we have to give here also. So go to this edge fillets and click here also. This edge also. Now you can see this exactly part is created in this Catia software.